Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Focusing on the source. Don't focus on lack, powerlessness, or the fear that lingers in your mind. Don't focus on how great the mountain appears to be. Focus on all the universal forces conspiring on your behalf for its glory. Focus on the source who loves you, guides you, and always looks out for you as you tread the mountain and triumph. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you to think about the good in your life. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday. I am grateful for a good conversation with a friend. I am grateful to have found out a new product. I am grateful to have spent some nice time with my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.